This vegetable helps to prevent arthritis, stroke, high blood pressure, heart and kidney disorders, anxiety, and stress. Hello and welcome to Journey with Judy. In today's video, I want to talk about this spinach, which is called Malabar spinach. The Yoruba culture of Nigeria named it Efo Amunututu. In Yoruba, Efo means vegetable, while Amunututu means one that calms the stomach. After eating this vegetable, you will feel relaxed and calm. This vegetable is also called vine spinach, and its botanical name is Basilia alba. It is succulent and juicy and can be eaten anytime raw, cooked, or slightly cooked. You can add this to your stew, soup, porridge, combine it with other vegetables, or make a sauce with it. I add this to my porridge jam. It's very delicious. You can also add this to your egusi soup or make vegetable soup with it. This vegetable is very good for those suffering from ulcer. You can blend the juice, mix it with honey, and take it morning and evening. This is very good. Within a short while, the ulcer will be a past tense. You're going to love it. It calms the stomach and it heals the ulcer so fast. This vegetable also helps to strengthen the eyes because it's an excellent source of vitamin A. It helps for hair growth, ladies. So if you're looking for a healthy hair, blend this vegetable and apply it on your hair. It really helps to strengthen the hair and make it grow so well. Malabar spinach or Efo Amunututu helps to purify our blood and makes the skin glow. If you want a glowing skin, start eating this spinach. If you're the type that hardly sleep, like you find it difficult to sleep, you feel restless, give this vegetable a try, add it to your diet. You can as well apply it, crush it, apply it on your forehead. After half an hour, wash it off, and you'll see how you will sleep well. This is going to help you. It will help you to have a sound sleep. Are you trying to boost your immunity? This vegetable is excellent in doing that. It will help to boost your immunity, make you feel so strong. This vegetable has an excellent composition of calcium, so it will strengthen our bones and is excellent for those suffering from arthritis. So if you are suffering from arthritis, add this to your diet. This is good for those suffering from anemia because it's rich in iron. So if you want to prevent anemia, give this vegetable a try, add it to your diet. I so much love this vegetable. It helps to prevent cancer, arthritis, stroke, high blood pressure, heart and kidney disorders, anxiety, and stress. So if you're the type that are feeling crazy, just have this, just make this part of your diet. It will calm you down. So I also add the stem to my meal. Those soft parts, like this part I'm touching, is strong. So the soft parts, I just add it. I don't just use just the leaf. I add the soft part of the stem to my meal. Because Efo Amunututu is rich in antioxidant properties and contains lots of vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, C, B, B2, B6, B1, K, and E. And all these are excellent for our hair, our skin, and our health. So, will you allow this vegetable to pass you by when next you see it? This is it for Efo Amunututu or Malabar spinach. If you find this helpful, please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay connected to Journey with Judy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.